Oh, okay. So this is basically just kind of like a little series, I guess I'm going to be doing. I'm not sure if I'm going to compile them all into one video or if it's just going to be like just short little updates on things I've been doing. But right now I've been kind of working on this life-size puppet as seen by Give Gifts, Give Life episode 5. Yeah, 5. Where you could see that I actually added joints that were on his arm, like gave him elbows basically, so he can actually move his arms up and down like that. Of course, there like that. But I also created, it's basically I made a cutout of the FNAF 2 Puppets mask, and I taped it to a piece of cardboard. It's the same one that I used in, like, when I first built them. But basically what I did is I made it so that mask is no longer wearable by me, and it's got a nice little feature that I think you guys will be interested in. There we go. The eyes kind of flicker a bit when you first start it on. I'm not sure if you can see that. Hold on. He's got glowing eyes. At the end of this video, I'll probably like shut my curtains. That way you could see exactly what I'm talking about. But let's go ahead and put this here. That's not the whole meat and potatoes of this video, though. As you can see, this arm's kind of slightly extended, which is from something I've been working on. I'm debating on making this either fully automatic, like basically making it do things on its own, maybe put a, what's the word I'm looking for, a motion sensor inside of some part of it that will activate it, or maybe just make it a thing where I turn it on and it starts moving. But basically what I have going on here is the string is attached to an old RC car of mine that I had, and I recently found a controller that had a working battery in it. So it can't do much, like it can't move its arm up. I have to kind of assist it in doing that. I'm hoping if I connect it to a pulley or something, it'll help. But basically behind my closet is that RC car, and connected to one of the wheels is the string. I might get a motor or something and connect it to the string. That way it's like fully automatic, but as of right now, this is the most I got. The reason why his arm's tied up like this is so I can show a nice little demonstration of what it's supposed to do. Now, like I said, it can't really do much on its own. I'm trying to find out why. Like, if I let go of it, and like it's already, like the string's already coiled up around one of the wheels, it'll keep its arm there. It kind of locks in place, and all I have to do is like move it just slightly, and it's cool. But I'm probably going to make or continue adding to this. Maybe get the other arm rigged up, which will be hard because the little RC car I had was broken when I got it. One of the wheels would not spin a certain direction, it only spins in one, so basically I might have to abandon the whole idea of using this RC car, but I have it, like, I have the car tied down and weighed down and got the wheels connected to it, that way it doesn't like start going everywhere. But as you can see, he doesn't really do much. I have to hold the lever down and lift up the arm and just kind of feed the string back there. It's stuck. But yeah, that's all I'm going to be doing for now. I'll give more updates later. So I guess for now, bye.